Hello children, let us move to word problems on mensuration. The shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends. Find the area and perimeter. Now if you see, the length of the total is given, that is 20 meter. That means it starts from here till here, right? But to find perimeter, what do we need? This length we need, because what is perimeter? Sum of the boundary. So we need measurement from here to here, and then measurement from here to here, plus circumference of this half circle, because perimeter of a circle is nothing but circumference of a circle. So now this is circumference of a half circle and circumference of a half circle, which will give you circumference of a full circle. And now we will find out what is the measurement of these two lengths, because they are rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Now suppose this whole thing is 20 meter, and if this is 7, the breadth of the rectangle is 7, that means the diameter of the circle is also 7. So the radius becomes 3.5, right? If this is 3.5, that means any line, any measurement from this place to this place is also 3.5. In the same way, this is 3.5, because if this is 7, this is also 7, because the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if this is 7, then the measurement from here to here is also 3.5. So we will remove 3.5 plus 3.5, that is 7 meter, from the whole 20 meter. So if I subtract 20 meter minus 7, because 3.5 plus 3.5 will give you 7. So if I subtract 20 meter minus 17 meter, I will get 13 meter. That means the length of this and this is 13 meter, right? So now we can find the perimeter. Perimeter of the garden is circumference of a circle. That is from here to here and from here to here. So half a circle plus half a circle is circumference of a whole circle plus measurement of this length plus this length, that is 2 times length. That is 2 times length of rectangle. So what is the formula for circumference of a circle? It is 2 pi r, and 2 length means opposite, 2 into 13. So we will do now 2 into 22 by 7 into, now instead of taking r 3.5, I can also take 7 by 2, because diameter is 7 and anything half of diameter is radius. So if I take 7 by 2, I can easily cancel 7 and 2. So instead of taking 3.5, I have taken 7 by 2 plus 2 times length. So now first, according to board mass, we will first do multiplication and then go to addition. 7 cancels, 2 cancels. So 22 plus 26 will give us 48 meter. Right? So this is our perimeter. Now let us go to the area of a garden. Now area of the garden is also same. This is the area. Now let me draw here. So area means whatever is inside, that is area of half a circle plus area of half a circle will give you area of a full circle, and this area of rectangle is length into breadth. We know now length is 13, we found out, breadth is 7, and r you can take as 7 by 2 or 3.5, whichever is comfortable in doing the calculation. So area of a circle is pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, because r square, r into r, plus area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is 13 into 7. So if I cancel 7, 2 11s are 11 7s are 77 by 2 plus 13 7s are is 91. So if I divide 77 by 2, I will get 38.5 plus 91, which will be 5.5 129.5 meter square. Now why is area in meter square, children? Because this is meter and 13 into 7 is meter into meter. So meter square. So meter square plus meter square will give you meter square. So hope you understood this problem, children. Bye for now.